Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorial River channel. In this tutorial I'll show you how to change date of birth on Facebook. First of all, open Facebook apps. Now I am opening it. Tap on the three line right corner setting icon. Tap on this. Click on. Tap on personal details and birthday, and then edit. And now you can easily change your birthday and tap on save. Then successfully change your Facebook birthday. Hope you all enjoy this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe our Tutorial River channel for more video.